Good morning students, welcome to the online class of Geeta Global School. So children, from your Honeysuckle English book, today we will read chapter number 7 and in video number 2 part 2. Okay. So in the previous video we have learned that Jumman's aunt, the old lady, tells everything to Algu. Let's see what happens. The panchayat was held the same evening under an old banyan tree. Jumman stood up and said, "The voice of the Panch is the voice of God. Let my aunt nominate the head Panch. I will abide her decision. The Panch knows neither friend nor enemy." So Jumman said that whomever she will decide as the head of the Panch, I will abide her decision, because the Panch always does justification to everyone. They will not support anyone on personal grounds, whether you are friend or enemy. What do you say to Algu Chaudhary? The old lady announced. So the old lady decided to select or nominate Algu Chaudhary as the head of the Panch. "Fine," replied Jumman, hiding his joy over this unexpected place of luck. Jumman was very happy when he heard that aunt is choosing Algu as the head of the Panch, because he thought that Algu is my friend and he will not go against me. "Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Jumman," said Algu. But Algu said to Chachi that Jumman is my friend. "You remember, na?" "I know that," replied the aunt, "but I also know that you will not kill your conscience for the sake of friendship." She told to Algu that, "I know you will only do what is truth. You will go for the truth. You will go for justification. You will not see here your friendship. God lives in the heart of the Panch, and his voice is the voice of God." And the old lady explained her case. "Okay," Jumman said, "Algu, you and I are old friends. Your aunt is as dear to me as you. Now I am Panch. You and your aunt are equal before me. What have you to say in your defense?" So as the aunt decided Algu as the head of the Panch, so Algu told Jumman that now both you and your aunt are equal to me, because I have been selected as the head of the Panch, and I will only do justification. Okay. And he told Jumman that if you want to say anything in your defense. 3 years ago, began Jumman. So Jumman started the story what happened 3 years before. "My aunt transferred her property to me. I promised to support her as long as she lived. I have done all I could. There have been a couple of quarrels between my wife and her, but I can't stop it. Now my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance from me. This is not possible. That's all I have to say." So Jumman explained that 3 years back, her aunt, the old lady, she transferred her all property to Jumman, and Jumman and his family took good care of her, served food to her. But there were very small quarrels between her wife and aunt, which generally happens that old people become very irritative and younger generation cannot adjust with them. So as in every family this happened, but now finally the aunt is asking for monthly allowance, which is not becoming possible for Jumman. So this is the case, and this is what Jumman wants to say. Jumman was cross-examined by Algu and others. So other people also asked some questions and clarified the matter. Then Algu announced, "We have gone into the matter carefully. In our opinion, Jumman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance, or else the property goes back to her." So Algu told, and the other panchayat members, that they have gone through the case, and Jumman has to pay monthly allowance to her, otherwise he has to give back the property to the old lady. Now the two friends were seldom seen together. Seldom means they were rarely or hardly seen. Which two friends? Jumman and Algu. The bond of friendship between them was broken because of the aunt. Algu took that decision which he thought was correct as a punch, and this was disliked by Jumman because he thought that Algu was his friend but he supported his aunt. In fact, Jumman was Algu's enemy and wanted his revenge. Now Jumman became enemy of Algu and he wanted to take revenge from Algu. So hope children you have understood. Please read it. Thank you.